Hello students, today we discuss about the continuation of the immunity. Last class we discussed about the acquired immunity. How many types of the acquired immunity? There are two types under, that is antibody mediated immunity, then cell mediated immunity. Then in another way, another two types of the acquired immunity in another point of view, that is another the active immunity as well as passive immunity and all. What is meant by active immunity? Whenever exposed to the antigens or pathogens, in that antigens containing of pathogens, whether it is living, whether it is dead or attenuated, then regarding related to that specific antigen, the host cell produces antibodies. So this type of the immunity we call as active immunity. That is called active immunity and all. In this active immunity, then what is the passive immunity? The preformed antibodies, if it is injected, if it is inserted to the particular person, to the particular patient, whomever it may be, or normal person, that is we call as passive immunity. But here, with the help of antigens, appropriate antibodies are produced. But very, very important, it is little bit late process, not quick. It is a late process and a complete process and a complete effective process and all. But it is very quick process, right? Because already antibodies itself it injected. That is preformed antibodies inserted into the body. That is we call as passive immunity and all. So once again, active immunity, that whenever exposed to the antigens, the host cell produces regarding related to specific type of antibodies and all. Such type of this one we call as active immunity and all. In this particular active immunity, it is very slow process, but it is a complete process. That means a completely effective process and all. Then passive immunity, it is quick process, but here the preformed antibodies injected to the particular person, that is a passive immunity. Then how many types of active immunity? In that active immunity again, there is natural as well as artificial. What is it by natural immunity? Whenever natural pathogen in the form of virus, bacteria, fungi, whatever it may be, if it enter in our body, the against antigen, against that pathogen, the antibodies are produced in our body. That is we call as natural active immunity and all. Then what is it by artificial active immunity? Very simple, in the form of vaccination. Vaccines. While giving vaccine, what is it by vaccine? What is present inside the vaccine? Vaccine nothing but either live or dead or weakened pathogen. If it give in our body, appropriate antibodies are produced. Then after long period of time, if it is real, the same specific type of antigen, if it enter in our body, ready to fight against that particular antigens and all. That's why it's called as artificial active immunity, nothing but vaccination. Who is the father of the first vaccine and all? The first vaccine is the smallpox in 1796. Edward Jenner. He is the first person who must be that prepared the particular type of the vaccine. But there are three types of the vaccine preparation is there. First generation, second generation and third generation. What is it by first generation vaccine and all? The complete pathogen organism. If it is inserted, whether it is alive, whether it is dead, whether it is attenuated, that means weakened. If it give, then against that specific type of antigen, then to production of the antibodies inside the body. So first generation vaccine, either live, weakened or dead pathogen injected, complete organism vaccine and all. Then what type of that one? Example like BCG, Bacillus calmette guerin, against TB and all, as well as in influenza, as well as polio vaccine also regarding related to first generation vaccine only. Then smallpox. These are whether it is live or dead or weakened, such type of this one. The complete death of the two pathogenic first generation vaccines are that is related to diphtheria, that is regarding related to tetanus, related to the tetanus, rabies, such type of this one, not diphtheria, tetanus, rabies, as well as polio only. Polio in the sense oral polio vaccine. Some of the vaccines, polio vaccines, it must give through injection, but maximum oral polio, that is such type of this one, attenuated, weakened, complete weakened pathogens if it give polio, that is regarding related to first generation vaccine. Then what is the second generation vaccine? That is regarding related to the specific part of the organism. Only whatever the antigens that are separated and prepare the type of the vaccine and all. Not the complete organism we have taken. Like diphtheria, tetanus, such type of these vaccines as well as hepatitis B while using of the host regarding related to yeast cells and all. In that if it prepare, that is we call as this one second generation vaccines and all. What is the first generation vaccine? Like BCG as well as polio as well as smallpox or regarding related to this tetanus or related to tetanus as well as rabies, all are influenza related to first generation vaccines and all. In that one, completely attenuated or weakened pathogenic one. That is best example, polio as well as rabies as well as tetanus as well as cholera also. It is a completely weakened and all, completely that specific type of the pathogens and all. What is the third generation vaccine? Third generation means DNA vaccine. We do not present that many number of pathogens and all. Only whatever the pathogen, if it is inserted to the host cell against that the specific antigen, we separated DNA molecule, then it inserted to the plasmid through rDNA technology. Why? Because at present also they are preparing that a particular corona vaccine also. In Britain already they prepared, already they are using. But even though they are using, some of the people they are not at all adjusted, little bit allergic reactions. But still 2 to 3 weeks it will take time. Whether it is succeeded, whether it is not succeeded, that a specific type of this one. But unluckily, again at present in Britain, one more mutant to that corona, it is already spread and all. Why? Because already mutant to normally 1 or 2 times mutants are changed in shapes and all. But this corona, it will be changed 17 times, 17 different forms and all. That's why it is very difficult to identify. That's why these many days, these many months it will be take place. Even though until vaccination, we must maintain social distance as well as regarding related to sanitization, as well as when applying of the mask if it is present in group and all. So such type of vaccine still it is going on in our country and all. Then already what type of the vaccines already prepared in third generation, completely using of. Why? Because it is very fastly, maximum scale it is ready to prepare and all. Like hepatitis B vaccine purely prepared through DNA vaccine with the help of rDNA technology through biotechnique and all. That is third generation vaccine and all. So that is related to natural as well as artificial vaccination. Then what does it mean? Passive also like natural as well as artificial. What is the way? Natural and all. Already said, preformed antibodies. What is the difference active? First we give that specific pathogen. According to pathogens in our body produce antibodies. Here, direct antibodies itself only we produce. Whenever deadly, that particular type of any type of diseases like snake bite as well as tetanus, such type of this one, then after snake bite, if you search for a long period of time, that person, he or she, it must be dead if it is more poisonous and all. That's why it must be quick response. It must be immediate response. That is such type of an artificial passive, like anti-snake venom as well as anti-tetanus serum. It is related to, that is anti-snake venom as well as anti, that is tetanus serum and all. Here, preformed antibodies, it must be injected. What is the difference here? This related to passive artificial, that immunity as well as active and all. This active immunization program, it must give prevention method before affecting of the disease only one can do. But here, after infection, immediate recovery, immediate response purpose, that is only minor difference. You must understand, after infected, then only it must give the passive artificial vaccine and all, either anti-tetanus serum as well as anti-snake venom injections and all. After snake bite only, before snake bite it won't give and all. After snake bite only, within a couple of hours or couple of minutes, how much it is possible, as early as possible, to control, to prevent or to recover or to completely, it must be that what we call as neutralize that specific type of the vaccine and all. What is the natural and all? It is most important. What is the natural passive vaccine and all? So, in our yellow, golden yellowish color, which is present in mother's milk, immediate after newborn baby and all, within 24 to 48 hours, it must be released this and all. That is we call as colostrum and all. These colostrum contain bulk amount, maximum amount of an immunoglobulin. What is the name of that immunoglobulin? You think it? Already last class I told different types of immunoglobulin. Among these one, which type of immunoglobulin present in mother's milk and all? Immunoglobulin A will be present. That is in colostrum, it contains immunoglobulin A regarding related to, it will be protective against the diseases. It is a protection, it is a prevention without entering. Even if it enter, already the protection is there. So through mother's milk up to 6 months, that mother's milk acts as a very crucial, vital role without infection, any type of diseases, such type of the baby and all. That is immunoglobulin A. Apart from this one more immunoglobulin, one more immunity, it is also spread from pregnant mother to the infant through placenta. Only one immunoglobulin it transfer. What is the name of that immunoglobulin? That is immunoglobulin G and all. One and only. There is a minor difference, very, very, very important. In the previous examination also, they asked multiple times what type of immunoglobulin present in mother's milk bulk amount. There is immunoglobulin A and all. What type of immunoglobulin is transfer, is transmit through placenta from pregnant mother to the infant and all. Then your answer will be the immunoglobulin G and all. This is we called as passive natural immune system and all. The passive artificial in the sense that anti-tetanus serum, anti-snake venom, that is specific one. Then, whenever this is related to acquired immunity, so whenever that higher the specific type of the vertebrate organism, higher vertebrate organism, they must differentiate whether it is self as well as non-self cells and all. It must differentiate. Whenever fails, whenever that particular property, it must be fails and all. Why? Because if it is not differentiated, sometimes it is ready to attack their own cells and all. Then it may be chance to destroy in its own cell. Remaining metabolic activities also majorly disturbed and all. So normal higher vertebrate, it detect, it differentiate self and non-self cells and all. If it fails in its property, when it fails, whenever genetical disorder and all, then automatically it may destroy in its own self cell. What we call such type of the property of immunity, that is autoimmunity. What is the way autoimmunity? What is the way autoimmunity disorder and all? If it is not differentiated because of genetical deviation, genetical disturbance or the genetical disorder, then it may not recognize which is the self cell, which is the non-self cells and all. Then it attacks in its own cell and it destroys remaining metabolic activity. Such type of this one autoimmune disorder, autoimmune deficiency, autoimmune diseases and all. So, what is the autoimmune diseases? Any one example you say, any one type of diseases and all, that is rheumatoid arthritis. Best example, autoimmune disease. That is rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis act as a one type of the autoimmune disorder, autoimmune disease and all. Remaining, it may not. When very rare condition, when genetical disorder, but higher vertebrates, all including human being, such type of sensibility, such type of differentiability, it must be present and all. Then, what about that is autoimmune? Then, when our immune system, either acquired, either innate, whatever it may be, total immune system, any one part of immunoglobulin, if it is destroyed, then what happens? Immune disorder and all, immune deficiency, immune disorder, it may be causes, it may be leads into the allergy. Why allergy will be causes? Up to yet, there is no specific reason why allergy. Some of the people, American people, or any Asia, or regarding related African people and all, if you observe the ants, immediately throughout the body rashes will become. Why it will come? We don't know. Some type of immune deficiency, some type of immune disorder and all. There is allergy. Why? Because hypersensibility. Some type of these particular things, allergic reactions like pollen grains, like dust particles, like any other type of the chemicals, or animal danders, or sometimes any contaminated type of the any using of utensils. Some of the people, if you eat any animal sources of the food material, it won't get properly and all. Some of the people, if you inhale such type of the air, it may be get allergy and all. Some people, one can eat to any one specific type of the vegetable, they won't get to normal that specific type of the digestion and all. Then what are the common symptoms normally present? So allergic condition, already we said, which type of immunoglobulin act as a chief role for responsible regarding related to allergy and all. In the allergy, immunoglobulin E. Immunoglobulin E act as a very important role for the specific allergy and all. When our allergens like pollen grains, like animal danders, like dust particles, like any other chemicals, like any in the form of the water, in the form of the air, that such type of these one class and all. Then what are the symptoms of the allergy? Either sneezing, either cough, either running nose, either rashes, either itching sensation. Many different ways it must be present. Then why it will be present? Because of such type of allergens, if it enter in our body, when our immunoglobulins may not be functioning properly, then automatically that histamine, mast cells in our body, it releases histamine as well as serotonin. And serotonin. These particular chemicals are released in our body. Apart from this, some type of the steroids in our body. But majorly histamine, serotonin act as a crucial role. Whenever it releases in our blood more than the normal percentage, that condition will be called as allergy. Like hypersensitivity, that are related to rashes, itching, whatever may be sneezing, running nose, all these activity related to this one. Then how to control this one? Antihistamine, that particular chemicals, antihistamine tablets. If you take anti-serotonin tablets, if you take, then temporarily relief. Some of the people, the specific, that particular season, like a winter season, they are suffering asthma. Asthma is one type of allergy, but it won't spread from one person to another person. That is allergic reaction. But there is no the specific why it will be causes. Only specific type of allergies one can. But all type we don't know. But if you avoid whatever I said, regular exercise, balanced diet, as well as yoga, as well as meditation, as well as clean in our surrounding hygienically and then it should be avoided. It won't be get. Only prevention method is the better one. That is allergic control. Now say how many types of immune systems it will be present and all. That immune system. In the immune system, there are two, that the specific type is there. There is the primary, the immune system organs are there. In secondary, related to the primary as well as secondary. Primary immune system organs are there, secondary immune system organ. Who will be responsible to provide such type of the immunity in our body? Immunity nothing but resist against diseases, any type of diseases. If you resist some of the people, if you expose any type of changing of temperature, changing of environment, immediately they are suffering from sneezing. Immediately they are suffering from running cough and all. They won't get such type of the immunity. Why means in their childhood days they won't get sufficient amount of the mother's milk. If you get mother's milk, it is present a lot of resistance. That is also one among the best method. So primary immunity. What are the primary immunity organs? It acts as a very crucial role. That bone marrow as well as thymus. Then bone marrow. Then thymus act as a crucial role for primary immunity and all. Then secondary immunity. The secondary immunity means whatever the primary will by bone marrow, it produces all type of the blood cells including lymphocytes. Already said lymphocyte act as a crucial role to maintain the appropriate immune system. Then thymus, where it must get maturity of that specific type of the T cells and all. It maturity and effectively regarding related to this thymus and all. These two act as a vital role and all. Then after producing these lymphocytes, then where it get stored, where it get preserved, where it should be effector and all. So for storage as well as effective role and all, for differentiation purpose, it migrate and enter into the secondary immune system parts and all. What are the secondary immunity organs in our body and all? That is related to spleen. It is pear shaped, which are present. Here it will be stored maximum amount of RBC cells, as well as it acts as a filter. Whatever, if it is blood-borne microorganisms are present, without entering of remaining parts, it gets filtration of blood-borne microorganisms. That act as very crucial role and all. Apart from this one, it is also present that is that lymph nodes as well as lymph nodes, lymph tissues, appendix, like that. Many different is present and that in that one it acts as very crucial. Spleen as well as lymph nodes as well as lymph tissues, lymph cells as well as appendix, all are will present. What is the important role? It produce the specific type of the lymphocytes as well as other blood cells, bone marrow. Then maturation of the differentiation will be takes place in thymus. But in spleen, lymph nodes, lymph tissues, all these one after premature of this specific type of these cells, it migrate and maturation and convert into the effective one in these secondary immune system organs and all. In this one, where it is present below the stomach, it is present and all. But lymph nodes, apart from this one, lymph nodes is present in our angular part and all, angular lymph nodes as well as axillary lymph nodes and all, wherever in our body, that wherever joint parts regarding related to arms as well as legs and all, there it will be arranged into the lymph nodes as well as spleen, all these one, there it will be stored, there it will be preserved. Whenever original pathogens are attacking, already preserved, it is ready to attack that specific type of the pathogens and all. Then lymph tissues, where it is present lymph tissues and the mucosa. Lymph tissues normally it is present the mucal area of respiratory system, the mucal area of gastrointestinal tract and the mucal area regarding related to vaginal. This is present. But commonly we call it as MALT, that too. Mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. It is also regarding related to lymphoid one. Mucosa associated lymphoid one in respiratory as well as gastrointestinal as well as vaginal, that is specific part it will be present in our, but very important part, how much percentage of MALT is present in our body? They give 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%. What is the original percentage of mucosa associated lymphoid tissues present in our body? It is generally 50%. 50% is present. But remaining animals it act as a crucial role, this appendix and all. In our body it act as a vestigial one. But rest of this one it act as a crucial role for differentiation to convert into the effector parts regarding related to the immune system, the secondary as well as the primary and all. So that is related to the immune system and all. In this immune system, especially 8.2 and all. So what type of previous year questions they asked in examinations and all. So in 2013 to up to 2020, what type of questions generally they asked? They asked generally maximum number of questions they asked regarding related to immunoglobulin A as well as cell-mediated immune response, cell-mediated immune response as well as active immunity. They also asked regarding related to active immunity, then related to that MALT, mucosa associated lymphoid, the specific type of this one. Then another one, that passive immunity. They also asked multiple times passive immunity. So these specific parts, majorly they asked between 2013 to 2020, especially this particular year, what type of questions they asked under this 2020, they asked related to which one among the following is false statement. Identify the false statement. They asked phase 1 examination and all. False statement means many regarding related to the functioning of the immunity they have given. False statement means active immunity is a quick and a complete responsible process and all. That is the false. What is the correct and active immunity is the slow process, not the quick process and all. Rest of this one, like passive immunity, immunoglobulin G as well as immunoglobulin A, which act as a very important role, all are, they must be asked and all. Then phase 2, what type of question they asked? Phase 2 regarding related to, they asked that mother's milk, it contains colostrum. In that colostrum containing of mother's milk, abundant amount of immunoglobulin A is present. Then this is which type of immunity they asked. They have given active, passive or immune disorder, like that many different options they have given. What is your answer? Passive immunity. Just now we told passive immunity only, it contains immunoglobulin A and all. That phase 1, phase 2, like that they asked under. In rest of the year, in previous years, they asked regarding related to maximum time, they asked cell mediated. What type of questions they asked? Cell mediated immunity response and all. In cell mediated immunity response and all, graft resection, kidney graft resection, which type of immune system is responsible? Kidney graft resection and all. Then they have given many particular options. What is perfect answer and all? Whenever they give question, the graft resection, not only kidney, different types of the organs like heart, like eyes, such type of this one, liver, that is cell-mediated immunoresponses and all. So multiple times they ask regarding related to in different manner and all. Cell-mediated immune response and all. Then immunoglobulin A, and how they ask and all regarding related to what type of immunoglobulin present in mother's milk, they ask them. They have given many different types of immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin D, immunoglobulin E, immunoglobulin G, like that they give and all. What is the answer? Immunoglobulin A and all. In another type immunoglobulin, what they ask about? So immunoglobulin, colostrum, mother's milk contain bulk amount of which type of immunoglobulin and all. There is immunoglobulin A and all. So what type of immunity normally present in immunoglobulin and all? Immunoglobulin A, which are present in mother's milk, that is we call as passive immunity. So like that immunoglobulin A, whenever they ask regarding related to mother's milk, or it is whether it is active immunity or passive immunity. Why it is passive immunity? Passive natural immunity because of preformed the specific type of antibodies which protect the specific type of this inborn that particular babies and all. Then they have given active immunity also. Where it is called as the active immunity? Why it is called as the active immunity? Active immunity in the sense whenever antigens, whether it is live, whether it is dead, whether it is attenuated or weakened, whenever exposed, whenever exposed to the host cell, immediately appropriate antibodies are produced and all. That is active immunity, when naturally without giving to the particular human beings and all. Then artificial in the sense in the form of vaccines and all. Then malt. What is the percentage of malt they asked and all? What is the percentage regarding related to malt, mucosa associated lymphoid tissue and all? That specific type of malt 2019 they asked. What is the percentage of mucosa associated lymphoid tissue? That already we said there is a 50% and all. Like that. Apart from this one, what is the primary immune, that particular organs and all? Secondary organs and all. Primary organ means bone marrow, thymus. Thymus in that sense, in newborn children, it is very large size in our body, which are near to the heart region. By growth and development, due to age, it reduces in its size and all. Because of immune, that's why due to aged people, immune system becomes reduced. Because of that particular thymus gland, it will be reduced and all. So these specific subtopics, majority of questions they asked in previous in specific subtopic of this one. Okay, you once again you listen carefully. Remaining we discuss in next class.